are you today? I'm fine, thank you. By the way, have you had breakfast? Yes, I have. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 6 o'clock. After that, I go to school at 6:45 a.m. And how about you? I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7:30 a.m. and I go home at 12 p.m. Do you have activity after you go home from school? No, I don't have. Can we play football in the afternoon? Can we play 30 p.m. in the afternoon? Okay. I'll ask me to play football in the afternoon. Do you want to join?
What time do you want to play?
We will play 3 p.m.
How is it 4 o'clock? Because I have cross at 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, speak. Good morning, Hannah. Good morning. Have you had breakfast? Yes, I have. What time do you have your breakfast? Breakfast at 6 o'clock. I go to school at 7 o'clock. And how about you? I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7 a.m. and I go home at 12 a.m. Do you have anything after from school? No, I don't have. I will play badminton in the afternoon. Okay, I can play at 3 in the afternoon. Hi. Could you ask me to play badminton in the afternoon? Do you want to play?